Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're at Kapparis. There it is, quite a lot of places open here all year round. We have been down here before and did quite a few videos walking up here. It's quite a pleasant walk. All the pavements and the roads are brand new. And this evening we're going into Mambos. Now I think it's the 18th of December, nearly Christmas.
21st.
Oh, it's the 21st. I do apologise, guys. I haven't got a clue what's going on, really. Anyway, we're going into Mambos and we're going to try some delish food that's been recommended by a few viewers. Oh. There we are. So here we are. Teresa and Paul have recommended this place and many others. Oh, I can have a look at the menu out here. Lovely lights. Look at the blue lights. Garlic bread at $3.80, soup of the day $5.80. Oh look, fried halloumi cheese €6.80. They do a Mexican category, Mambos Mexican, spicy vegetables, nachos at $9.50. Spicy prawn nachos at $14.50. Oh, look at this, homemade beef burger. And you can add cheese and bacon at an extra cost of €1.50. And that's €11.90. Another burger at €17. Barbecue egg burger $15.80. Chicken, grilled chicken breast, chicken kebab $12.90. What were you showing me? Oh, the ribs, barbecue ribs, been recommended, have they?
No,
$16.90.
I just fancy that.
Oh, you fancy that? I do apologise, guys.
Recommended.
You fancy the barbecue ribs at $16.90, but what's been recommended is a pulled pork pizza at €13. We're definitely going to go for that. It's been recommended. That's the pasta and pizza section.
And these have been recommended.
And what else has been? Oh, the Mambos nachos at $14.90.
Do you think we should share them and share them?
Spicy chicken. And what's that menu there? Oh, one moment, another menu. Breakfast and brunch menu. There we are, lots of things in here. Mini breakfast, €6. Massive breakfast at $7.80. And this is lunchtime menu, finger food, that's €4.40, going up to €4.50. Combo platter $14.90. Jacket potatoes are $6.90. Barbecue egg burger $15.80. Pastas again. And they also do the pulled pork pizza at €13 at lunchtime. So some of the lunchtime menu is overlapping the evening meal menu, which is a great idea. Gammon and egg at $14.90. Brilliant. Oh, it's started to rain. Brilliant, guys. We haven't had any rain for ages. Well, we better get in. It's been a lovely day today, by the way. Not ideal for the beach, but we've had about a week of beach weather. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at this, guys. We've even got a Christmas menu here. There it is. Looks like we've got liver pate, avocado and smoked salmon at $6.90. Main course is fillet steak $27.90. The salmon is $17.50. Lamb is $17.90. Or traditional turkey dinner at $15.90. So there we are. We've even got a Christmas dinner. Oh look, we've got a Christmas tree as well. Look at that, Christmas tree on the table. Have you spotted something else interesting for the viewers? There's the drinks menu. Let's have a look at slow beer. Oh, look at that. Opened it up straight away. Look, slow beer. There we are. Draft beer. Slow beer is €3.50. And there's bottled beers as well, guys. There we are. Lots of drinks in here. Oh, look at this. Look. You get pictures of the drinks. That's unusual. Don't normally get that, do you? That's a good idea. There we are. There's a little tip for the restaurants down in Brodara. Why not have pictures of the cocktails? It's a good idea, isn't it? Look at that one. Looks lovely. It's coffee. There we are. So lots and lots. Wow. Lots and lots of pages and pages of cocktails. Look, guys, slow beer. Delish.
Slow lemonade.
Slow lemonade.
Do you like my jumper?
Oh, that's a nice jumper. That's it. Put the carrot straight. Looks brilliant. Fantastic. Christmas jumper. Christmas, sort of Christmas meal. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. Well, guys, both of these dishes have been recommended. And it looks like a good recommendation. Look at the size of that lovely pizza. Look at the pulled pork on it. And we've got lots and lots and lots and lots of delish nachos. Well, let's try them. Oh, wow, guys, that is delish. Amazing. Look, avocado over there. I've had the peppers and the mushrooms. They're really delish. Right, I'm going to try the pizza now. Oh wow, guys, that pizza is delish. Amazing. Nachos are good fun. Right, guys, that was an amazing delish meal. Oh, I am quite full up. Now, it's a lovely bar, so I'm having a little walk round to see if I can walk it off a bit. There we are. Lots of sports and big screens up. Beautiful restaurant, isn't it, and bar. They've got a conservatory bit outside. There's a lovely bar. Now the conservatory bit outside is open in the summer, guys. We've got these plastic sheeting in the winter, so it becomes a conservatory. But in the summer, that comes up and it's a veranda. Beautiful chairs, conveniently located, comfortable chairs. We might even have a little stroll down afterwards, guys. We'll pay the bill and go down a bit and walk off that amazing meal. Really delish. So, guys, what a delish meal. That pizza was delish, wasn't it? In fact, I think that pizza was enough to share for 2 people, you know, and the little starters. But we did have those massive plate of nachos. Well worth it. Oh, look at the plants. I'm just going to have a little walk down, guys, just to work off that massive delish meal. Look at this. You can't see, it's a bit dark, guys. Look. Lovely plants. Oh, wow. Now, last time I was down here, guys, I was saying to you about the plants that are going to be put in. I did mention these roadside plants. You get them on the highway and they're doing really well, but it's a little bit too dark to see. We've got lovely Christmas lights up. Now, don't forget, guys, there are bus stops all along here. So if you're staying in Brodara and Napal Panera, you can get the 7-Eleven down here. So if you're staying out of season, you haven't hired a car, don't despair, just get the bus. Right, so that was my little walk. I'm going to cross the road. There's no magic carpet. There is a magic carpet down there near Mambos. And all the magic carpets are new, guys. Everything's new down here. Oh, doesn't the tarmac look lovely in the rain? It's all glittery. all shiny and new. Now I think this is the bike path, guys, and they haven't put the markings on yet. Well, that wasn't a very long walk, was it, guys? super lazy, eh? Well, it kind of walked off one natural, but it makes you feel better, doesn't it?
And it's raining.
Oh, and it's raining, guys. That's the excuse. It's, well, sort of raining. Got a couple of drops. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that delish meal at Mambos just before Christmas. There you are, at Kapparis, with all the lovely Christmas lights up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.